Hello, my name is Ryan Ramel with Cimco Software. In today's Tech Tip video, we will be reviewing the importance of managing your documents and an easy way to do that with Cimco's Nc-Base module. Let's take a look. The Nc-Base module is an add-in for our well-known Cimco editor and seamlessly integrates with our DNC Max module for easy and closed-loop file transfers for any RS-232 or Ethernet-based machines. We will start by selecting our user in our dropdown and logging into the software. Each user will be assigned to a group that has specific permissions of what they can do within the database and what machines they are able to view. Once logged in, we can use our left sidebar to easily search our database for the appropriate fields. When the file is stored, we will then see a preview of the program down below, along with a running log on the right-hand side. If needed, you can always right-click and open that file up into Cimco Editor, use our simulation in order to backplot or run through machine simulation, or make any hand edits as needed. The log will show any activity done to the file and its version numbers. If needed, you can always right-click and either restore the selected version or compare it to a current version to see any changes. Because we are integrated with our DNC Max product, we are able to send a file back from the CNC machine into Cimco and have it go to our import queue. The import queue is a temporary holding area where someone of authority can right-click and compare with the imported file to determine if we would like to accept or reject those changes. If there are any additional documents outside of your G-code files that need to be managed, please refer to our video going over Cimco MDM. For questions or more information, please contact Prototech or your local Cimco reseller. Thanks for watching.